The administrator Deloitte sent out a press release basically saying shareholders in Virgin Airlines should not expect to get back any money for their shares. It's not really surprising in an administration process the shareholders are the last to be paid out. The total value of Virgin's shares is about $725 million in total, and they're about 8.6 cents each. It's also worth noting that there's very few retail shareholders in Virgin. 90% of the company is foreign owned, so those big corporations are the ones that are going to lose out from today's announcement. Virgin has, of course, entered an implementation deed with Bain Capital, which has agreed to buy the airline, but it does need approval from creditors, and that vote will happen later this year in August. And the announcement from Virgin this morning, from Virgin's administrator Deloitte this morning, said creditors should not expect to be paid in full for their debts. And when the airline went into administration on the 21st of April, its debts were about $6.8 billion. So creditors are probably wondering how much they're going to get back, and they'll find that out later this year in August when the creditors hold their meeting to vote on this implementation deed, Tom.
We will see. Everyone begging for some certainty there. Meanwhile, the stock market, no certainty day by day there. Up, down, what are we looking like today?
Today it's shot up. Yesterday was down about 1.5%. Today it's up 1.8% in early trade, so it's totally erased yesterday's losses. We've risen today because of a strong lead again from Wall Street. Wall Street indices climbed between 1% and 2% overnight. And the stock market's risen today. It's also June 30, which is the end of financial year, so it's tax season has begun, Tom. So everyone out there, make sure you lodge your tax return before the 31st of October. But on the local market today, the best performing stocks are banks. They're up about 2%, and the energy sector, which is up 3%, Tom.